This video is going to cover the home page, specifically these two sections here. And what we want to do is go to the Pages area, then find the home page, which we'll see right here. And because of it, reasons I don't want to get into, it's just a little bit complicated. We got to do a few different steps for editing this area. It's not as simple and as straightforward as clicking a couple buttons and then going. We're going to have to switch between visual mode and text mode, just because that's what we need to do. Alright, now hopefully it won't be that won't happen that often, and the reason we have to do that is for the YouTube video. This is going to be a YouTube video. You guys haven't produced your video yet, so I'm assuming it's going to be some YouTube format, or some sort of embed format. So either way, with an embed, we have to use text. That's why we got to kind of bounce back and forth, and I'll come back to that. First thing is the title. You'll see that right here, little rollover area. That's where we have the title, and basically what we do is set a title, and we use heading 2, and then we made a hyperlink out of it by clicking this. Okay, you type in your text. The next thing you want to do is drop in, well, assuming you're going to follow the format of the design, that's this. Drop in your Learn More, and your Learn More is what we call a short code. There's a little icon for it right here. You see the Read More button. So your title, so learn more, read more, find out more, whatever the case may be. Insert. Let me go ahead and update this just so you can kind of see what's happening here, and see, and there it is. So that's the whole point of that. Alright. Let's update this. Now your video, assuming that it would be YouTube, you'd want to get the embed from YouTube, and that's easy to do. You go to YouTube, there's a share link on there, you click the share, it gives you the embed code. And then that's what we see right here, this iframe source. So you'd want to copy that from YouTube, paste it in. If you're using some other format, you'd paste that, whatever their embed is, you'd paste that here. Same functionality. And it has to be text mode, because this basically is an HTML, an iframe, an embed, and you can't paste that in the visual editor. It won't work. All right. Next, we have the section below, which is this one right here. This is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. What we want to do is come up here and click this little fixed post icon. It's going to give us a pop-up box, and then this is a section of all the pages on the site. So this is every page we've made. So whatever page you want this to link to, you would select it. So for instance, the statute, insert, and it drops us a little bit of code, is what's called a short code, into the site. Excuse me, into the page. So if I come in and refresh, now I'll have 2 on here. I'll have that one, and then I'll have another one. So you can actually drop in and add as many as you want. Okay, so to set up a section for it, you just create a page, or if you've already had that page created, and you add it into that. So it's really easy just by choosing your section or your page for that. Alright, that'll do it for the home page.